Well, I thought I'd do a rig rundown as I haven't done one for a little while. This is what I'm currently using. Still using the 5152 even though I sold my old one. These are my current settings for my lead channel. And pedal wise, keeping it simple, Boss TU2 tuner, Maxon od808, Boss NS2 noise suppressor and a digital delay DD6. Also got a Holy Grail reverb which isn't on the board at the moment. And oversized Mesa Boogie straight cab, which sounds fucking awesome at the moment. And my beloved ESP Horizon Dark Sunburst, that's tuned to B. And my favourite ESP M1 EMG 81. And I'll try and give you, if I can bounce this phone somewhere, a little preview of what it sounds like. That is it. Cheers.